Hello and very warm welcome to Swift Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to learn how to set placeholder to UITextView. With UITextField, we have default property of setting placeholder, but not with the UITextView. So we will learn how to set UITextView placeholder in Swift 4. So our app will look like something this. Here, this is our text view, UI text view, and here we have plus placeholder, write something here. So when user starts typing, it goes, and as look, he types, and whenever he delete this, okay, and press done, then it comes back. So we will learn this kind of stuff, that is setting UI text view placeholder in Swift 4. So let's start. Open up your Xcode and create a single view application project and name it UITextView Placeholder. So I already created one for myself, and now if you have created one, then let's start learning how to set UITextView Placeholder. So open up main.storyboard, and here we will make a UI part of our app, and here first we will set the background color. So let me set this a different one, and now here I have UI text view. I will drag and drop it to the view controllers view. So now we'll set the constants to 50 from the top, 20 the leading, 20 the trailing, and height will be, I can say, 150. So here our UI part is done. Now we need to set an Iboutlet for our UI text view, and as you can see here, there is no property of setting the placeholder. Okay, so here to set the text view Iboutlet, go to connection inspector, and here make it like this, and here we have view controller.swift, and here we need to set an Iboutlet, so UI text view, and here we have new referencing outlet. Now just drag and drop here and say txtv notes. Okay, this is a problem. So here we will say this thing, sorry for that. Let me create this one. Edit Iboutlet week where txtv notes and of type UI text view, and here we have main.storyboard, and here we double click here. Here we have Iboutlet, and just drag it to UI text view, so the Iboutlet is connected to our UI text view. Now open up your view controller.swift. Let me make it a little bigger, and now first we need to set the placeholder for our text. So txtv nodes dot text is equals to our placeholder text, like placeholder for UI text view. Okay, so this is a placeholder, and now we will give it a little different color. txt nodes dot text color is equals to UI color dot light gray, and also the font txtv nodes dot font is equals to UI font, and here we have font, so we say it's Vardhana, and font will be 13.0. okay, so here we are set. Now if I run the app at this point, then we only see the text view, and with the text as a placeholder, written placeholder for UI text view. So let's run the app. So build is succeeded, and it's opening up the iPhone 10 simulator. So here the app is launched. So here you can see a placeholder for UI text view is written. So nothing will happen. Suppose I type it here, and it start typing, and nothing goes right as per our requirement of setting the placeholder for UI text view. So for making placeholder works, we need to set delegates. txtv nodes dot delegate is equals to self, and here we will tell the class that text view delegate will be implemented in this class, and here let's set mark UI text view delegates, and here we have delegate text view did begin editing. Okay, so here we have, so we say if text view dot text is equals to the our placeholder text, this one, then set text view, sorry, text view dot text is equals to empty. Okay, and also change the font color. Text view dot text color is equals to UI color dot black, and the fonts will be txt, or you can see text view dot font is equals to UI font name will be this, and font size will be little bigger, 18. Okay, and the other one, text view did here, this is, so here we will say if text contains a new line character, then we will return. Okay, so here is equals to this, then text view dot is reassign first responder, and here we will say return true. Okay, so this is done, and now let's run the app and see. For this we will, one more thing, we will say txt notes dot keyboard, sorry, keyboard return key type is equals to dot done. So now let's see if our placeholder things works. So here we have, and now we are running. So here you can see text view launch, and when we start typing it's get emptied, and we type the typing to, and let me make it empty. Okay, and then press done, it goes, but no placeholder comes. So the one thing missing here, we need to set another delegate, that is text view did and editing. So here we need to set if text view dot text is equals to empty, then we need to set this thing, and this thing, copy it here and reset equals to, this is double equals to, sorry, and now let's change. Okay, so now let's run the app and see if our placeholder for UITextView works or not. So here it comes, I set placeholder, and here I start typing the only way to, and now if I done it here, then I again goes here, no, nothing happens, and I delete the text and then press done, and here our placeholder comes back. So this is a very short video tutorial. Here you learn how to set placeholder for UITextView, and if you like our video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe to our channel, as we will bring more videos on Swift tutorials in coming weeks of time. Okay, thanks for watching, and bye for now. Have a nice time.